Hi guys, this is Queen Ness and welcome to my channel. In my last video I spoke about making items for and decorating for an appreciation dinner. So this is how we got it done. If you're visiting for the first time, please go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future videos. I used quite a few of these flowers. You can find templates for them on Pinterest. I spray painted them this Eden and some moss green. I made a couple of these stands on which I put some tissue paper and flowers. The stands I just made out of some crispers containers, and I just put a plate on top on which I placed the flowers. I made quite a few of these flowers, some from tissue paper and some from napkins. I used the two stands to decorate the dessert table. This is the gym that we used, and we cut off one side of it to make it a little smaller. We're going to cover this whole divider right here. Now this floor, I wish I could really do something about it. It is just ugly. We'll be setting up the honorees table right into this area, and we're going to put a backdrop behind it. And this spot is going to be the dessert table, and I'm going to put a backdrop in front of that. These are some of the chairs we're going to be using. We're going to be covering them, and these are what the tables look like. They're smaller tables. This is going to be a socially distanced event, so it's going to be one family per table, and we're separating them by more than 6 feet. So we started to put the chair covers and table covers on. The colors are champagne and like a moss green. We're going to put a longer piece of material that goes all the way down to the floor on this divider here, and then the shorter piece, we're going to take off and put over on this blue portion of the stage. We had flowers scattered all over the divider, but I didn't get a video of that, unfortunately. This is going to be an arch behind the head table. We just used plumber's flexi pipe in order to make it that bend over pipe. I didn't get a proper video of it though. That didn't include somebody standing in front of it to take pictures. If you haven't seen my previous video, go ahead and check it out. This is a seating chart that I made, and as you can notice, there's basically one name under most of these tables, or what appears to be one name. That was because it was divided by families, one family per table, because this was a socially distant event. This is how the tables for the guests turned out. This is the backdrop behind the gift table, and this is the dessert table completed. This beautiful table was for the honoree and her family members. That's it. Like, subscribe, hit that noti bell so you don't miss out.